guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Island Styles TV, and I just wanted to show you guys some products that I wanted to give away on Instagram, and I'm finally using them today. I took my braids out, and you guys are going to see the whole process of how I got my hair to look like this. So stay tuned, guys. So welcome back to my channel, the Island Styles TV. I know it's been a long while since my last video, and I think that was like a vlogmas. Since then I've been MIA, but I'm back today, and I will be bringing to you my first hair video. I am about to try out some new products on my hair, but first I have to take down these braids. I have been wearing them for about a month now, and I need to wash my hair. So I actually won these products in the giveaway on Instagram, and it's the Camille Rose Lavender line. I'm not sure, you probably heard about it already. I got the full set. It has the 4 hair care products with this line and a styler. So I will be using, and they're number 2, which is great. So I will be using their cleanser and then their deep conditioner, and then they have a leave-in and a spritzer. So this will help to condition and detangle before I style my hair. So that is what I will be doing, but first we need to take these down. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next clip.
And it took me
to be here,
getting here
to
realize
feel
that,
it,
because
yeah.
I saw it, but I never felt it.
Right. I think that's one of the reasons why Uncle Will felt like it was important for him to hold you through this.
So I'm back. I have completely taken out all the twists, and that didn't take super long. It took me like maybe 40 minutes to get the whole head undone with the twist, of course, because I cut it and then I just unraveled the remainder of the hair. But I did kind of touch up my edges because, you know, your girl has a little age in her and it shows right up in here. So I took care of that with some Revlon hair color, like it's like a soft black. So I just did my edges right here, and then of course I had to wet my hair, so that's why. So I'm gonna spray some water in my hair and apply the first step of the Lavender Stimulating Growth System from Camille Rose, and it says to freshen your texture with fresh. Let me see how it smells. It smells really good. It doesn't smell like apple cider vinegar, and you know that's like a not a pleasant scent. So we have my spray bottle. I'm gonna just mist my hair. It's my first time actually using this bad boy right here. So I've rinsed the shampoo out. My hair feels clean. My scalp is clean. Now I'm going to apply the deep conditioner, which is step 2 of the system, and that's this. It's very thick, and my hair is very thick. I usually just start on my ends. It smells really good too. Oh wow. It smells so good. So it's been just about an hour with me having the conditioner sitting on my hair. Now I usually detangle when I'm just about to rinse the deep conditioner out, so that's what I'm going to do. Happy I am that I'm finally detangled all of my hair. I twist them up. Now I'm going to wash it out and then start styling. I'm just gonna put some twists in it and I don't know, tie it up. Yeah, so twist and braid. I actually did a combination of a braid and twist. So like the bottom part of my hair I did twist. All this is twist. So I did twist here and the back, and then on the top I did braids because this helps to stretch out the top. I like to have like that tapered fro look, so instead of cutting my hair I decided to do braids on top to help stretch the top part of my hair and leave the twist out for a more fuller tapered type of situation. So I'm almost done. I'm gonna do 2 braids in the front because this front section here is a lot thinner than everywhere else, so I'm just going to section it and do some braids. You guys know how to do a braid, right? I don't need to show you. There are lots of videos on YouTube on how to do a single braid. So I try not to let it braid them too tight. I want them to be loose enough so they can dry properly. So I just braid all the way down until I feel like it's almost to the end. And take my comb and do a twist on the end. Okay, and I just do that on the other side. Make sure it's properly detangled. And you repeat the same step. You just braid all the way down. A loose braid if you can. And then do your twist. And then to give my hair some hold, I'm going to use the Crush Defining Gel. I'm not going to use a lot. Just like maybe 2 pumps, maybe 3 pumps. And I'm going to like just spread it all around because I don't want my hair to be too crunchy. And that's why I didn't use like it individually on the twist when I did it, because I don't want it to be too much of a hold, but I do want the twist to be defined. All right, so I'm not gonna add any oil to my scalp just yet. I'll do that in the morning. Is me finally being done with wash day. Oh my god, I'm pretty happy with the products that I use. I love the steps. I wish it came with an oil though. It doesn't come with an oil, so I'm gonna have to use a different oil when I oil my hair in the morning. The spritz is very nice. It has a nice spritz. The leave-in cream is not a thick cream. It's very lightweight, so you shouldn't have too much buildup on your hair. And the shampoo and the deep conditioner, that does really like stimulate your scalp. Like after I washed both of the products out, my scalp felt very clean, very fresh, and I could feel like the little tingles on my scalp. So that was really good. I'll see how the results are in the morning. You guys will too, so I'll see. All right guys, so this is the next day. This is how the hair came out. It's super soft. To take down the hair, the line did not come with oils, so I use what I'm accustomed to using. To take down, well, I use the oil to oil my scalp, and the shea yogurt to take down the twist and the braids. So this is how it came out. My hair is pretty soft. I have no qualms with it. I really don't like first day twist outs. I'm a day 2, day 3, so I'm not really feeling the shrunken fur right now, but overall my hair feels really good, very healthy, very clean. And yeah, so let me know if you guys enjoyed the video. I'm really liking how my twist out came. The video is not really picking it up, but I really do have some definition. But I am really feeling how defined my twist came out with the lavender gel and the leave-in cream. So I want you guys to just go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I have more videos coming up. Like I said, leave a comment, like the video, let me know what else you want to see. I'm going to try and pop out some natural hair videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.